Hello everyone, welcome to Carling Power. Our company is focused on home use energy storage, BESS inverter and EV charger. Today, we welcome to our friend Mr. John, and we will focus on our product 16 kilowatt hour.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me. I heard a lot about this all-in-one multifunctional product, so I'm pretty excited to take a look at it.
Okay, I will show you around.
Please do.
Go. Okay. Yeah, John, now today you have seen our factory, right? You have seen our assembly line, you have seen our assembly.
Yeah, I like how everything is so safe and organized.
Yes, because the safety and reliable is the important thing for the battery, right? So this is what we aim to do. Hello John, this is our lead today, 16 kilowatt hour machine. How do you think that?
I think that it looks both fashionable and modern. And for such a high-performance device, the volume is much more compact than expected. So you said 16 kilowatts, right? What does that mean for my family?
Yeah, 16 kilowatt hour means that it can supply electric power for a household. For example, it can supply power for the refrigerator, air reader for more than 3 to 4 days.
Wow.
Yeah, and also it can supply power for the laptop or light
AC.
or AC just
Right.
more than 24 hours.
So it's very suitable for power outage backup, right?
Definitely, it will be suitable for the family when you need the electric power, when you're out of power. Yeah, and also, this is all-in-one machine, you know. So it means that it has a controller, inverter, and the refrigerator. Okay, John, just now we talked about the 4 ways to input power, right? Okay, now I will show you on the machine. Okay, we can see 4 ways. The first one is the wind input. You can see that. The second is the solar input. Okay, the third is the diesel generator input. Last one is grid input. Okay, you can see all the
differences.
Yeah, different. Yeah, AC. This two is AC input. This two is DC input. Okay, now we can see the output connector. You can see here that this two connector is for AC output. This one is for the industry. This is Type E, Type C, and this one is the DC output. The last one is sometimes people will connect with their car, so it's a cigarette lighter connector.
Right.
Yeah, you can see that.
Nice.
Yes. How do you feel about our factory today?
It was really great. I'm not only impressed by the product, but also the technology behind it. I'm definitely recommending Carling to all of my friends and family. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I hope we can cooperate in the future.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Thank you.